comes your very spacious living room. Have a look at the living room. You get two sides of parallel platform in the kitchen. Very spacious master bedroom, and you get this with wooden laminated floor. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you 3 BHK signature sample flat tour of Varaton located in Manpada, Thane West. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual sales office. Now I'll be taking you outside, showing you the connectivity and neighborhood of this project. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of approx 2 acres with 2 towers, ground plus 41 floors with a configuration of 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK. Talking about their amenities, this project has 35 plus ultra luxurious amenities including golf putting greens, Olympic sized swimming pool, kids swimming pool, jacuzzi, paddle court and many more. So talking about the connectivity, as you can see, I'm standing at the main gate. Right behind me is main gate. Now check out the neighborhood of this project. This road leads you to Ghodbandar. So this project is located near Borivali Tunnel, Manpada, Thane West, with Manpada metro station at a distance of just 2 minutes, Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 10 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometer, and Ghodbandar Road at a distance of just 100 meters. Now let me give you this 3 BHK sample flat tour with an area of 1175, which is their signature flat. So as we enter, right here is your foyer space. Have a look at the foyer space. And to my left is going to be your kitchen. You get two sides of parallel platform in the kitchen and storage for cabinet on both the walls. Moving ahead, right here is going to be your dry space. Have a look at the dry space. There's so much of space for you to store your washing machine and other things. Storage area for this. And right where your platform ends, this is your space for refrigerator where easily a double door refrigerator can fit in. Let's go check out the living room. As we go ahead, first comes your dining space. A very spacious dining space. A 6 to 8 seater of dining space can easily accommodate over here. And then comes your very spacious living room. Have a look at the living room. There's so much of walkable space in this room. And then right here you get French window with attached balcony. Go have a look at the balcony. You can easily enjoy your tea, coffee with an amazing view outside. Now let's go check out the other rooms. So as we move ahead, to my right comes your bedroom number 1. So this is going to be your bedroom number 1, a very spacious bedroom. After placing a whole king size bed also, there's so much of open space, walkable space in this room. So you can see there's so much of walkable space. After placing a whole king size bed also, there's so much of walkable space in this room. And then that whole wall is dedicated for your wardrobe space. So there's no issue of storage at all. Then right here you get French window. Have a look with an amazing view. So you're going to get every one wall of every room designed this way. Have a look at it. And vitrified tiles in this particular room as shown in the video. Moving ahead, right here is your common washroom for guests. Have a look at it. A very spacious common washroom. You get this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And the entire living room along with this passage area you're going to be getting with marble flooring, as you can see in the video as it is. Moving ahead to our bedroom number 2. This is going to be your kids bedroom, guest bedroom. So here is your bedroom number 2. Again, a very spacious bedroom. There's a lot of walkable space in this room. Again, this whole wall dedicated for your wardrobe space. You can design it according to you, and right here where your wall ends is your study corner, dressing table, whatever you call it. And then you get window for ventilation. Let's go check out our bedroom number 3, which is the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme, and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on housey.com, so don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Now let's go check out the master bedroom. So as we walk in, right here is your very spacious master bedroom, and you get this with wooden laminated floor, as you know, you can see in the video. A whole king size bed is placed over here, and still there's so much of walkable space in this room, which is the best part about this master bedroom. We usually do not get master bedrooms as big as this. Right there, as you can see, there's French window with attached balcony. So you get your private balcony attached to your bedroom, where you can enjoy your cozy private time with your partner, enjoy your tea, coffee, your me time without disturbing anyone's privacy and even your own privacy. Right here is your dressing area. You can use it as your dressing area, your little cozy corner to attend your meetings, do your office work. Right here is going to be your wardrobe space, so this wall dedicated for your wardrobe space, and then comes your attached washroom, again with marble fittings. You're going to be getting this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings, a very spacious washroom. So everyone, this was the signature 3 BHK sample flat tour of Varadon. To get more information about this very amazing property, do download the e-brochure, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.